Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen if new here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a Lilla Rose Swerve in both a top knot and also a twist up. First we're going to be doing a top knot, so gathering all of your hair on top of your head like you're going to be doing a very high ponytail, and then twisting it around itself until you got a bun. A quick tip on making any sort of bun is to have the first half of your hair twisted so it's easy to wrap around into a bun, and the other half not twisted so that your hair still has a good amount of volume in the bun. Once you've got all the ends tucked into your bun, now it's time to grab your swerve. A medium and large swerve work for most hair types, but if you have really thin or short hair, then you probably want to go with the small swerve. So position your swerve where the curve is going upwards, and then take the two prongs of the swerve and grab a bit of hair from the top side of your bun, and then flip it back over and across your scalp. The second hairstyle is a twist up, so pull your hair back into a low ponytail and use your pointer finger to hook into your hair and twist up into a twist. You can tuck the ends in over top for a more neat look or keep them loose like I am. It really doesn't matter, it just depends on your style. So position your swerve to where the rounded part of your swerve is facing the direction of where you're going to slide the pins across your scalp. Then taking the pins and grabbing a bit of hair from the upper half of your twist before flipping it over and going along the scalp, making sure that the curve of the swerve is matching the curve of your head. So that is how you use a swerve. The one I'm using in this video is linked in the description box below, just in case you want to check it out. And also, thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions for what videos you want me to do next, just leave them in the comments below and I'll definitely be checking them out. Thanks again for watching, and bye.